Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today, we're gonna have a little fun day over at Universal Studios. You may remember my friend Michelle. We went on a snow day to Mount Bali a while ago, and today we're gonna ride some amazing rides and check out what's new. I haven't been here in the last few years, so let's get on going. This is like 5 years old. Infinity Incantian. Oh, it's moving. Still works. I got it. Okay, good. First ride down. It was actually pretty fun. If you're afraid of roller coasters, I think that ride will be perfect for you. So it's super short, but pretty fun ride.
Gryffindor doesn't stand a chance.
It was founded over 1,000 years ago.
They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way! We'll meet you outside! Sorry about that! Those benches can be a bit dodgy, but we haven't lost anyone yet! Not this week, anyway!
The two rides over at Harry Potter World. Now to get ourselves some Butterbeer. Butterbeer. Butterbeer.
And now, for the if only a dealer was the criteria. The stage this way. Pretty much delicious to be a game film.
If you ever had cream soda, this tastes like that. Really good, frozen. This is where you get your wands, Ollivanders.
Oh, so sorry.
Come back! Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Have a lovely day.
It was pretty fun. The first time on that one since they've opened it, so glad I went.
Yeah, look at her. I think I'm going to make her.
To go on the Jurassic World Park. When I last rode this ride many years ago, it was still called Jurassic Park, so I still remember the old ride. And look, I'm wearing my dino shirt today. They actually remodeled this to go along with the new movies that came out in the last few years, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Is wet from the ride. The remodel of Jurassic Park was pretty cool. Let's check out the dinosaur really quick. Now I remember when I was young, they had E.T., Back to the Future. Those are the classic ones I remember coming here quite frequently when I was younger. So I do miss those rides because E.T. used to say my name every time the ride ended. But seeing these new rides is pretty fun too. That chicken and waffle sandwich for a theme park food was actually pretty good. Maple syrup in the waffles, crispy chicken. Yeah.
Me and my good, we do cardio. Up down like Mario, cause stress likes the cardio. But that catches party on. I'm a Gemini, and she's a Scorpio. But that don't cross the minds when we on the cardio. Bet you wanna peek, bet you wanna see something. We don't wanna give nothing. I'm a Gemini, she's a Scorpio. But that don't cross the minds when we on the cardio. This area is not to the yeah, like Super Mario. Yeah, when we on the cardio. When we on the cardio.
Oh no, he's got a knife! Of course he has a knife.
That was a really big update to the studio tour.
Me and my good, we do cardio. Up down like Mario, cause stress likes the cardio. But that catches party on. I'm a Gemini, and she's a Scorpio. But that don't cross the minds when we on the cardio. Bet you wanna peek, bet you wanna see something.
Came from the Simpsons ride. That was pretty good too. Oh, I'd like to thank the Academy, my mom, my friends, basically everyone. I think we did what we can for today. Rode most of the rides we wanted to ride. We'll probably have to come back to, I don't know, check out a few of the things we didn't check out today, like Water World. So, but overall, fun day. But now, to finish off the day with what? Another Butterbeer! Some Butterbeer. Best way to end the day. Number 2. What should people do?
I don't want to do that. Click the subscribe button and then like this video.
Alrighty friends, there you have it. Our day trip to Universal Studios Hollywood. A special thank you to my good friend Michelle for coming along today. Thank you for being my partner in crime for today's shenanigans. And thank you for coming along as we had a little fun riding some rides, eating some good food, and overall having a good day. If you want to plan your own trip to Universal Studios Hollywood, I'll put the link in the description so you can find out all information you need regarding tickets and anything else that you may need for your trip. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.